Hello everyone, thank you for tuning. I just received this in the mail and I just want to show you guys set a nesting table from Ashley Design. I've been looking for a nesting table, side table for the longest time, and I had to tell you these ones are amazing. I'm just in love with this one. They come very well packed, as you can see right here. They have and also look, this one is high compact, all those foams right there, and come in different pieces, so you're gonna have to put it together by yourself. But don't worry, because it's fast and very easy. So right now you just cut the tape that is wrapping around the foam, and you're gonna see other pieces, the parts in the inside. This one is the base for the bottom part from the big table. Then one is like 24 inches tall or 21, something like that, and the other one is 19 or 20. So it comes wrapped with all this bubble wrap to make sure it's no it won't get a scratch. It's a gold finish, but it's not a shiny yellow gold. It's actually very pretty. It's kind of like antique looking, but more in the modern part. Hope you guys, I don't know, get that one. But I really like it. So you can see, and the foam have all the shape of all the parts that go inside. And this one have a small tickets and labels in each individual part with numbers, and the base is number 1, and each leg that belong to that base have the same number, and the small table have the number 2, and each leg that go with that base has the number 2, so you know what leg belong to which one. This is the small one because you can see it's all around, and ripping off all this bubble wrap right here, and having the little hole in the tube, some foam inside there to protect it. You can see in the bottom have like a small rubber. See, that's the part that go to the floor, have a little rubber stuff there to lean on the floor. I'm gonna take the other parts. Thing is the small, yes, that's the small table. The glass is very pretty. Like I said, it's protected very good, so it's no chance. It's like antique smoking metal kind of like. It's very steady. I love this design that had the number 1 right there, which you look for the same sticker in the legs of the table that belong to number 1, like I said before. This is other leg. You see that have a shape like a curve shape. So that, here we go, that's right here, number 1, 2, that had like a curve shape, which is make it easy and go, you know, with the table because perfectly, because it's circle. I'm gonna put right now all this together. So I finish right here taking the other parts. This is the big table. Look at guys how big it is. I'm just really surprised. I wasn't expecting this to be this big. Look at this. It's amazing. I just love it. I was really impressed, and it's heavy. This is the washes and screws. This is the manual right here. I'm gonna throw this away very quick. So you just open the bag with the washes and screw. Make sure you empty completely because I was missing one little wash, and it's because it was stuck. Here you go, right here, all color. You're gonna have the wash with some bend, like a little angle, and it's because it go in the tube. This is the part that go in the bottom. Like I say, I'm gonna put right now this blanket because I had to put the mirror facing down and I don't want to damage anything. I don't want to scratch it with the floor or break anything. Just making sure I keep it unsafe in a good condition. Here we go. Right here I put the mirror facing down, and then I'm gonna start putting the leg for each one. Like I said, the leg have kind of like a shape. You're gonna notice that I'm gonna fix very nice there, so make sure it go with it. Just put one wash and put one screw, so in the leg like that it just go a flat wash with a screw. You're gonna see later on when we get on the top, and to put a wash on that leg up there, you need a wash that had the little bend, like the little angle that gonna go there. It's very easy. I did it, and you can do it too. I was so excited because I really have a good product that I totally love. So I put this like that, and it comes with everything to tie it up and everything, so you don't have to worry about it. And come with Allen kit, that is the one that I'm using. And you just keep putting all these legs like this. Once and you put the other legs, then you put that part that go in the bottom. You can see the little rubber over there that's going in the floor, and you just put the leg right there in the inside, and then you're gonna find those washes that had a little angle, like it's bent a little bit, because that go right there. Put the wash first and then the screw, and screw it all out, and it should be perfect. I didn't have no problem with any hole, no problem with wash it, or any problem with the screw. It comes with everything that I need, come with every single piece, and I just love it. So this is the big mirror. I'm gonna start building this now. I want you guys to see is put it the back in the floor, and I just take all the tape and I stick it off. That was my son, my baby boy. Just they are grabbing everything. So this one come with manual and everything. You guys don't gonna have no problem. Come with pictures, especially specifying everything where it's go. I'm gonna start this one with the leg again, and just doing the same thing that I did with the other one. Pretty good, pretty easy. I ordered extra. This set cost me 174, 164 in Amazon. You guys can see, put those little tubes in the leg right there. They are gonna fit perfectly there. The hole was aligning perfectly. Had to make sure you try to put inside all at the same time. Don't put one corner completely down, then the other no. Try to put it all at once. So if you can get a little help from somebody, it would be even faster, but I don't think you need it at all. And then I put those, see, you just press it down and the hole gonna align perfectly. I put the washer and then I put the screw there. The washer with the angle, like I said before, you just put it in the inside there. These tables are amazing. And you just put the whole thing just like that. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video about this nesting table, side table from the manufacturer Ashley Furniture. I really love it, and I hope you guys enjoy and have a very good idea of how they look. I mean, they are very pretty. They are bigger than what I was expecting. They are strong, steady, and very nice looking, very fancy, classy, luxury. They will go with anything, any decoration, anywhere. I'm in love with them. What can I tell you? The size, everything is very pretty. A lot of space to put a lot of stuff in there, and I noticed that this mirror is similar to this mirror right here in the table on my entry way. Yes, just the same, literally. So thank you very much guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and like this table as much as I like it. Don't forget to subscribe and leave any comment down below or any question regarding this nesting table. Don't forget to press the little bell down below to be notified for any future video that I make, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you. Bye.